If you find it useful or not, in addition to the smartphone, smartwatches have become the latest must-have accessory. This involves not just the device free way to manage the alerts, but also how we track our general well-being with the smartwatch. The Huawei GT2 Pro is the newest in line of the smart wearables from the Chinese tech giant, mostly made for Android users. But what's new with this watch is what I'm going to tell you through this video. So watch the video until the end. Meanwhile, if you are not subscribed yet to the channel, then do it immediately because it's free. Let's start the video. Let's see what we get in the box. First up, the watch itself. Then we have the charging cradle, a charging cable, then the user guide and safety information and warranty card. The visual improvements are great. With sapphire glass, Huawei covers the 1.39-inch OLED, which is subtly beveled on the edges, the clean and high consistency of the titanium and ceramic case. The watch is up to 5 ATM water resistant with a black fluoroelastometer strap, which is a rubber strap. The luxury watch is well designed as a companion for sports and fitness analysis. With GPS, Bluetooth 5.1 and various sensors, including one that monitors blood oxygen saturations, anyone who had wished for LTE compatibility would be disappointed. The CPU in the latest premium smartwatch hasn't changed since last year with the Kirin A1. The Watch GT2 Pro, like the Watch GT2, has 4 GB of internal storage and can accommodate up to 500 songs according to Huawei. So that the smartwatch can store music instead of only playing it from an attached smartphone. You need a Huawei account that you can create during the setup of the watch and the Huawei Health app to set up the watch without any complications. The Health app can be installed with an iPhone as well. The Health app also requires Huawei Mobile Services, that is the HMS core, the current version of which has not been available in the Google's Play Store for a long time, is also required for the Android version. When setup is done, they can all locate each other easily. Parameters specific to the device also include movement reminders, sleep monitoring options, and heart rate measurement intervals, alarm limits. In addition, personal information such as age and weight that Huawei uses in its health and wellness analysis is registered by the Health app, in addition to activity plans and health and wellness analysis. An LTE compatible variant is still not offered by Huawei, however, you can still make calls with the attached handset. The watch's built-in loudspeaker are perfect for calls. In addition to the fitness features of the Watch GT Pro, not much has changed. On the other hand, the workout monitors heart rate and everyday steps around the clock and periodically prompts the user to walk if needed. For health monitoring, Huawei utilizes its own apps. True Relax analyzes stress thresholds and True Sleep analyzes sleep. The sleep log measures the respiratory quality of a person in addition to light sleep, deep sleep, and rapid eye movement stages. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Both watches are first to provide route direction from their rivals, and this performed well in my evaluation. It is, however, limited to the backtracking, that is, navigating back to the start point from where we began. It can direct users through a bicycle or a foot, as the GT2 automatic detection features is included, and it helps a lot. In order to develop or start running daily, running courses can be found for athletes with all abilities levels in the fitness app. During the exercise, the watch offers details on the heart rate of the individuals and exercise information such as distance. This all is in English. This indicates variations in information depending on the type of exercises. The Huawei system will help you if you want to boost your performance. It offers you VO2 max value and measures the results of exercises based on how much aerobic and anaerobic activity you have performed. The Watch GT2 Pro is the first smartwatch with wireless charging technology in the group. For charging, a magnetic charging cradle is included. Alternatively, with wireless reverse charging technology, you might even be able to use a smartphone to charge the phone. In my test, using the adapter given the 455 mAh battery was fully charged, It hits 7% of its overall power after 5 minutes, which according to Huawei is enough for 10 hours. On a full battery charge, Huawei reports the runtime is 10 days. In my regular usage, I was able to get the complete 10 days. The architecture of its premium smartwatch has been further refined by Huawei. The Huawei smartwatch is far away from the Honor Watch GS Pro's robust style, but it is very well built in components such as sapphire glass, ceramic and titanium. It is mildly surprised because as opposed to its ancestors, the Watch GT2, there were virtually no hardware improvements. The processor and sensor features have remained the same. Wireless charging, especially when it can be used with compatible smartphones, is a bonus, but this aspect is not that necessary thanks to the strong battery life of the watch. So finally, the retail price. On the screen is the retail price in Bahrain. It will be available in stores from 12th of November across Bahrain. Finally, a question for you. What do you think about the price? Is it worth buying? And if you own the previous generations like me, would you upgrade it with the all-new GT2 Pro for all the premium features it offers? Put down your answers in the comment section below. With that being said, this is Manish and you're watching Technspice. We'll meet you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.